Welcome, young scientists! Today we're going to unveil the science behind one liquid that we all rely on, pure water. But the question is, how do we get pure water? The answer? Equilibrium reactions. So let's dive in. What is pure water?
Pure water, or distilled water, is water without impurities that is used in labs, in medicine, and even in tea. In its production process, a pretty interesting thing occurs, with water evaporating and condensing, all by means of equilibrium. The reaction is straightforward. Liquid water, H2O, is converted to vapor, and vice versa. This process of going back and forth is known as equilibrium, in which the rates of the forward and reverse reactions are equal.
Liquid water is the reactant in this reaction, and water vapor is a product. As the water is heated, the molecules change to steam, leaving the impurities behind. Once the steam cools, it will condense back into clean liquid water. Because of this balance between evaporation and condensation, we can purify water effectively enough that is safe and useful.
Le Chatelier's principle explains how we control equilibrium. So by increasing temperature, we favor evaporation, or the forward reaction. By decreasing temperature, we favor condensation, or the reverse reaction. This principle is how we ensure efficient water purification.
Step 1. Heat water to encourage evaporation. This drives the forward reaction, turning water into water vapor, as the impurities are left behind. Step 2. Capture and cool the steam as the temperature drops. Water molecules condense back into liquid form, completing the reverse reaction and leaving us with pure water.
Why and how do we use pure water?
Pure water is very important in healthcare, labs, and industries. It cleans medical instruments, provides accurate scientific experiments, and gives better taste to drinks. It is beyond water, it's progress itself. Did you know that rainwater is naturally distilled? Evaporation and condensation in nature create a similar process, making rainwater pure. Until it touches the ground, of course. In addition to that, an interesting fact about pure water is that despite being a liquid, it can exist in all three states, solid, liquid, and gas, at the same time under specific conditions known as the triple point.
Water reaches its triple point at just above freezing point, which is 0.01 degrees Celsius and at a pressure of 0.006 atm or atmospheric pressure. So, there you have it. The production of pure water is a perfect balance of science and nature. Powered by Le Chatelier's principle and by equilibrium. Science keeps us hydrated, healthy, and curious. Cheers to that! So thank you for joining us in the exploration of science of equilibrium and pure water. We hope that this presentation has provided you with some insights. Don't forget, science shapes our world and impacts our daily lives.